Hi everyone! By the way, I am Adrian Kikaidakutan, but you can just call me Ed as in ED. And I'm from Muswan. And I'm proud to be part of the PSE Mathematics 3E kung saan matira ang matibay.
Do you still want to know more about me? Sabihin na lang natin yung crush ko na sa Tangsi.
My favorite colors are blue and white. And I have 3 talents. Dancing, dancing, dancing.
My goal in life? Edi syempre yumaman. Ay, joke lang. Syempre mag-graduate ako eh. And if you like to ask about my hobbies,
Playing mobile games, studying, cooking, and eating. To end this video, my expectation towards this subject is daghan activities.